Hi there, this is Yutong's largest export order to Uzbekistan. 800 Yutong buses will be delivered soon, of which 300 units are E12 battery electric buses.
With the successive delivery of this batch of vehicles, Yutong has not only become a mainstream bus supplier in Uzbekistan, but also the only new energy bus supplier in the country.
Yutong battery electric buses in this batch of vehicles are the fourth new energy buses introduced in large quantities in Uzbekistan, which will create a green and comfortable travel environment for local people and help Uzbekistan's public transport enter electric stage. For this batch of battery electric vehicles, the traction battery adopts an independent liquid cooling system and a protection level of key components such as batteries, motors, reaches IP68. The complete vehicle adopts safety technologies such as anti-closing design of battery compartment and battery nitrogen protection system, which effectively delays battery degradation and ensures vehicle safety.
In addition to export of vehicles, Yutong has also established a complete after-sales service system in Uzbekistan, providing full circle service guarantee for local customers, solving customers' worries in operation, and helping Uzbekistan's public transport enter into the new era of electric.
Yutong new energy vehicle, your better choice.